Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, southwestern Licking County, southern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Mount Sterling, moving east at 35 miles an hour. This storm has a history of producing severe weather. Tracker trailers were blown over near Long Interstate 71 Jeffersonville. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Grove City, Asheville, Reynoldsburg, Pickerington. In addition, Derby, Harrisburg, Darbyville, Darbydale, Orient, Commercial Point, South Bloomfield, and Duval are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 105 and 118, Interstate 71 between mile markers 83 and 103. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.